Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Rohana A. Panasang, reporter on Special Topic 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to each and everyone. Our topic is all about teaching indigenous people. Our previous reporter has already discussed the introductory about the indigenous people. And my assigned topic that I'm going to discuss to you is all about the recommendation on teaching indigenous people. What are those ways or process that needs to implement on giving them an attention on improving their education? So first is valuing indigenous education system. The indigenous ways of learning must be the basic framework on conceptualizing and implementing various educational processes. Their worldview, along with other realities of their life, must be considered as a guide in directing and organizing the program. So, uh, the education system has allowed the IPs to own the valuation of education. So, inaalaw yung mga IPs na mabigyan ng halaga yung kanilang edukasyon. And uh, and they must realize the importance of education. So, alam naman natin yung mga indigenous people is sila yung mga tao na hindi gaano nagbibigay ng atensyon when it comes to education. So, kailangan is mabigyan sila ng atensyon or i-encourage sila na bigyan nila ng halaga yung edukasyon, because it really helped them understand how they develop their lives and enhance their culture. So because of that is mas nakakaya na nilang harapin yung mga challenges sa hinaharap. So yun, binibigyang halaga yung mga indigenous people na makapag-aral, may matutunan sila. So yun. Second is promoting cultural integrity or curriculum development. The curriculum must reflect the indigenous knowledge system and practices acquired from their forefathers in strengthening self-confidence and appreciation of their identity. So, yung curriculum is they are preparing the indigenous knowledge system at saka yung mga practices nung mga ninuno nila, kasi dahil doon is mas tumitibay yung self-confidence nila sa kung ano yung identity na kanilang dinadala. Minsan may mga IPs is yung mga IPs is minsan kinukutya sila, so para hindi sila ma-behind is yung curriculum is binibigyan sila ng, and also it is their preparation that in the future is may mga changes sa kanilang buhay, sa kanilang culture. So yun, tinutulungan sila na ma-appreciate or ma-appreciate yung katotohanan na yung culture nila is nababago. Yan. Nag-innovate yung culture nila. Next is employing holistic and integrative learning processes, curriculum development. Total human development is the overall goal of the community schools program. Writing, reading, and arithmetic are not only the focus. The program also touches on the basic issues and concerns of their communities. The students are also taught functional skills for their survival and sustainability in all learning process. Specific livelihood and sustainable program are integrated into the educational system to respond to the need for skills, training, and resource generation for the continuity of the school programs. So, as we can see is habang tumatagal, yun nga, may mga pagbabago na nangyayari sa ating buhay is ang pinaka importante doon is yung human development. Hindi lang pinofocus ng curriculum yung writing, yung pagbabasa, or yung arithmetic, all about math. Kundi mas tinutulungan pa ngayon yung mga indigenous people na mahasa or ma-enhance pa yung kanilang skills tulad ng mga livelihood program, which is it is the integration of two process, the holistic and integrative learning. So hindi lang sila matututong magbasa, magsulat, kundi matututunan din nila yung mga skills na dapat pa nilang i-improve sa kanilang sarili. D. Enhancing creative and analytical thinking, approach, and methodology. Through the program activities, creative and analytical thinking in the students are honored through the analysis of situations, issues, and concerns of their communities and society. It teaches the students to employ the learning by doing. So, hindi lang sila matututo kundi ina-apply dito na may a-apply nila yung mga natututunan nila. So, which is yun na yung mga creative activities at yung mga analytical thinking tulad ng mga situation, how they solve their problems, how they interact, paano sila makipag-interact doon sa mga situation na mahirap harapin pero paano nila yon mare-resolve. So, dynamic and innovative approaches are employed at the various levels of learning. So yung school activities at yung teaching is yun ang pinaka mahalaga para ma-relate nila yung mga situation na yun in the future. Promoting the value of service and volunteerism, approach and methodology. The school program promotes the IP's innate values of sharing and service. It is very common among IPs to share what they have with others, and these values are emphasized in all school activities. Hence, the students are given the opportunities to share their acquired knowledge with their communities. So, yun. Yung mga IPs is nasa sarili na nila yung ah, nasa pag-uugali na nila yung pag-share nila at yung pagsiservisyo nila within the community. So, dahil doon is ini-emphasize sila ng school or pinapahalagaan sila ng school. And then the students is they are given the opportunity na ma-share nila yung mga kung ano yung natutunan nilang kaalaman doon sa kanilang community. F. Promoting peace and community building. Policies and guidelines. In the community, schools maintain an atmosphere of trust and confidence with and among the learners and facilitators, educators. It sees the diversity of culture and religion as an opportunity to enrich one another in multicultural context. So yun, ito it is to promote peace and community building. So, yung school is uh, kailangan sa learners and also most is the facilitators or educators is ma-build sa kanila yung trust at confidence. Kung makikita natin yung mga IPs talaga minsan is yun, dahil nga sa kanilang tribe or yung kanilang race is na napanghihinaan sila ng loob at saka yun, kailangan sa isang educator is although may pagkakaiba-iba yung bawat isa is kailangan niyang ma-build yung student niya, ma-build sa kanila yung trust at confidence. At yan nga, dahil doon is magkakaroon ng peace yung bawat isa. Walang mga conflict na mangyayari. And that's all for my report. Thank you for watching and listening.